Hi, this is the RST Workbench, a front end for working with RST parsers from your web browser. Here you can enter text that you would like to get parsed. Once you click the Run button, the text will be sent to several RST parsers in the background, and once we get the results back, they will be converted to a single format. In this case, it's the RS3 format because that's a very common format for RST tools. And here you can see the output of the Hilda parser, and so this is now the converted parse tree. And in case you would like to see the original parser output, you can always just click this button. This might come in handy in case there is something odd going on in the output and you would like to see whether it's a problem of the parser or a problem of the visualization. Currently, the RST Workbench supports 5 different parsers. That is Hilda, that you just saw, DPLP, the Feng and Hurst parser, the Heilmann and Sage parser, as well as Codra. Once you've seen all the parse trees that the parsers produced, you can store the ones that you like in RS3 format, or in case you would like to make changes to one of the trees, you can also do this by clicking on this Edit button. Now the parse tree is sent to an instance of RST Web. RST Web is a tool for annotating RST trees developed by Amir Zeldis, and in this case we would like to change the last sentence. Here I think it should be parsed as one edu, so we go to the segment view and remove this edu boundary and save it. Afterwards we go back to the structure view. Now we can see that there's this unattached edu, and we can connect it to the rest of the tree and now set the relation type, for example, to concession. Now we can save it also in RS3 format, or we could also save it as an image. Basically that's a screenshot of the tree that you are currently viewing. This is how it looks. With this workflow, annotators can use the workbench to leverage existing RST parsers for their work. Instead of creating parse trees from scratch, they can choose one of the automatically generated parse trees that you just saw. Select the one that best matches their intuition, and afterwards post-edit it.